What's up, guys? Alright, so today we are going to be reviewing JOI Cashew Nutbase. From this 15-ounce container, you'll be able to make 27 cups of cashew milk. Oh yeah. Now we're really excited to try this in 3 separate recipes. We're going to show you how to make cashew milk. We're going to do some classic mac and cheese. And we're going to do a vegan Alfredo sauce.
Yum.
Now we actually teased this on our Instagram. So if you're not following us, go ahead and follow us on Instagram now. Now the cheese sauce that we're using for both recipes was actually created by Chris in our raw vegan challenge. So if you haven't checked out those videos, check out our raw vegan challenge 2020 playlist right here. Now if you're new here, that raw vegan challenge was only for 2 weeks, and we normally do vegan food reviews like this one. And sometimes we also do easy vegan recipes in the reviews like this one and the video that you're going to see today. We are a vegan family of 8, we have 6 kids, and we've been vegan for 5 years. If this sounds like it's up your alley, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Now if you're not new here and you're excited to see these 3 recipes, including that mac and cheese, go ahead and hit that like button right now. Alright, so let's go inside and make these recipes.
Oh, sexy walk in a circle, because it's raining outside and we got no room to walk.
Alright guys, so before we continue, we gotta do nutrition facts and ingredient. Now we actually reached out to JOI because we saw it on Instagram and we were like, oh, that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
We need to try that out. So shout out to JOI for sending us this to try out. Also, we do have a coupon code for you guys.
Right on the screen.
Right here for you guys. It will save you 10% on your order. We'll also put it in the description box.
Of course.
Alright. Now right on the top of the jar, as you can see, it's easy as ABE. You just add, you blend, and you enjoy.
Oh, enjoy with the JOI.
The JOI.
I love that.
And this is what it looks like when you open it up.
Yeah.
Just so you know, if you get it and it don't got this, you got the wrong one.
Oh.
Look at that.
Pure cashews. Yum. How's it smell?
Doesn't smell like anything, really.
Good. Good. It's actually very good.
Alright, so we're going to be making 32 ounces. So all you need for that is 4 cups of latte and 4 scoops.
So what do you need? Just 1 tablespoon?
1 tablespoon makes 1 cup. Ooh, that's thick. So
there we go.
1 scoop. And yeah, 1 scoop makes 1 cup. So all you need is 4 of these if you're making 32 ounces like we are. And you're good to go. Alright, and now we blend. Alright, and now I'm gonna pour half of this into my jar.
Oh wow.
Ooh, look how smooth that looks.
Ooh, wow, that's thick.
That thing's smooth.
And thick. Wow, that looks amazing.
Look at that though. I am not mad at all.
Instant cashew milk. They have cashew, almond, and organic almond. So, yeah.
I'm excited to try that organic almond.
Yeah, we're definitely gonna. Ooh. All right, let's make some chocolate milk.
Yeah.
All right, guys, for the regular cashew milk, we just popped it in the fridge so it stays nice and cold because the kids are gonna be coming to try that out a little bit later. And
yes.
Now we're making the chocolate milk.
Oh yeah. This is actually my favorite, so I'm excited. I just put a little bit of agave.
Just a little.
Yeah.
That's all?
That's it.
Okay.
Just blend that thing up.
Ooh. Oh, that looks good, bro.
Yeah, baby. Chocolate milk.
That looks delicious. All right.
All right, that is done. Just gonna pour that. Chocolate, chocolate, chocolate. Chocolatey.
It smells like chocolate
It
ice cream.
smells like Christmas.
Yeah. It smells like hot chocolate.
Mmm. Oh yeah. Oh, there's a little bit in there. I want to say that for me because this is for the kids, right?
Yeah, that's
for the children.
Put it in the fridge. For the children, Sister Mary Catherine.
Oh yeah.
All right, so I would say put about 3 tablespoons of your nut base in there, followed by a cup of oat milk. We like to mix the flavor of oat milk and cashews. Gives a nice creamy flavor. Those flavors work really well together.
Yes, they do. Delicioso.
Now we're gonna add the oat milk, 1 cup, and then we're gonna blend.
And now we blend.
Alright, so we just blended the 3 tablespoons. We just added 3 more to make it super creamy, and let's blend.
Oh, that looks smooth.
Let me see.
Look at that.
Oh, that's great. That's perfect. Let's add all the spices.
Yo. Alright, so the full recipe for this is in this video right here. But Chris is gonna quickly make the spice mix so that we can go ahead and get this recipe done.
It's already strong and spicy. Alright, so this is the seasoning base for the cheese sauce, and we are gonna add it to the cashews in the blender.
Just like that. And blend that. And then alright. Professionales. Alright, and then we
What's going on with your head? What's going on with
nothing.
right there?
Nothing at all. Don't look at that. Don't look at me.
Disgusting.
Alright, so now we blend.
Alright, so now for the Alfredo, we just got some olive oil and some minced garlic in the pot. And here we have some seasoned vegan chicken. This chicken just cooks up really super fast. Again, vegan chicken. It's actually the chicken that you see on the screen here.
Yeah, it's that Darren, baby.
It's delicious.
If you guys want to see some more Darren recipes, check out this video right here. It smells like it's in a restaurant Italiano.
Alright, so this chicken we've had marinating, seasoning for about an hour. And we're going to do about 3 minutes on each side. Alright, so the chicken is all cooked. We also added some mushrooms, some spinach, and some tomatoes. And now we're just going to add a little bit of penne pasta. Not too much because we're trying to make this a little low carb. This is chicken with pasta instead of pasta with chicken.
Yeah. Ooh, look at that. It's smelling good. It's looking good. Ooh. Oh, you mixed that. You mixed that.
Ooh.
Yes. Ooh, I'm excited now. I thought I was excited before, but I'm excited now.
Who needs fancy restaurants?
Like, look at this. Like, you guys can make this at home. Easy.
It smells amazing, guys. Like, it smells so fresh.
It's fresh, it's easy, it's simple. I don't know what else to tell you, man. And it tastes delicious too. Cause you know Chris be throwing down.
That's what I do.
She be throwing down.
That's what I do.
And for the mac and cheese, here are the changes that we made before we added the pasta. Alright, so we got our 4 oldest here about to taste the cashew milk. Go ahead and try it out, guys. It doesn't really smell like anything, so.
It's a little bit like chocolate milk, the second smell.
Taste it, Carmi.
It's like a hemp milk.
Feels like I just ate a handful of cashews.
Oh yeah? Okay.
It's like hemp milk, which that's what we used to have if we didn't have like almond milk or something in the house.
Yeah. Well, it's just cashews and water.
Guys, do you know how to make this? Did you guys see us making it?
No.
They're gonna
Just
see it in the
take a scoop
video.
of that. Yeah, you just take a scoop of that and add it to water. That's it. You
One
blend
scoop.
You know what this would be good in? Like ice cream.
Ooh.
it. Yum. Karina, Carmi,
Yeah, dropping gems.
It tastes like milk.
It tastes like milk? Okay. What does it taste like to you, Carvey?
Cashews and almonds.
Oh, cashews and almonds. Okay, double whammy.
If it had vanilla flavor, it would definitely taste like
That's what I was telling Daddy.
oat milk. Yeah, it tastes really fresh, like a fresh handful of cashews.
What do you think about it, Rocky?
Well, first of all, this would be perfect in like waffles or pancakes or something.
Ah,
Like-
dropping gems on them.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Our pancake recipe.
He does. He's the pancake guy in the house.
That's me.
If you added a little bit of agave in it, it would make a good coffee creamer too.
Ooh.
Agave and nutmeg.
Dropping. Go ahead, the nutmeg. Go over there, dropping them gems there.
Karina, Carmi, do you have any suggestions?
Tastes like fresh milk.
Fresh milk, freshly squeezed from the cashew.
Are you done?
She drank it all. Alright guys, so now we're gonna try the chocolate milk.
Let's do this.
Alright, so now we got the chocolate milk.
It's like hot cocoa or something.
Yeah. Taste that though. Kind of quiet in here, huh?
You're joking, right?
No, that's that chocolate milk.
What?
It tastes like a bar of chocolate.
Ooh.
If it was melted and stuff, but more liquidy.
Ooh.
Like a bar of chocolate, but not like it's so chunky. It's too melted. It's like
Oh, look at these girls there. Them girls in the finish that there. Look at that. Jeez.
Yeah, I gonna need some more of that.
Ooh.
yeah, the pieces of cashew that's in it
Mm-hmm.
tastes like it's like a chocolate bar
Mm-hmm.
Oh, with nuts.
with nuts in it.
Ooh.
And like someone blended up the chocolate bar and like it melted.
Full disclosure, guys, I did a little taste before I gave it to you, and you guys know how Daddy love that chocolate milk. So I was like, yeah, they gonna love this right here,
Yeah, that definitely tastes like
right? Yeah.
Sorry, oat milk. I'm sorry, but I'm gonna have to make a switch.
Gotta make the switch to that cashew. Okay. All right.
Karina, Carmi, what do you girls think?
Tastes like chocolate. Tastes like hot choco.
Choco?
Hot choco, the hot choco.
It's so nutty and strong. It's amazing.
All
Like
right.
coffee.
That's awesome. All right, well, let's go ahead and try these. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and try the entrees. All right, got the entrees, baby.
Like something French.
Mm-hmm. So we got some Alfredo and we got some mac and cheese. All right, we're gonna try the Alfredo first.
Alright.
Mm-hmm. Tastes like genuine Alfredo that we normally make.
Mushrooms are my favorite part.
Yeah, guys, there's mushrooms in there, spinach, tomato, Alfredo, and our patented pending cashew cheese sauce.
Wait, this is cashew cheese?
Yeah, that's the cashew cheese sauce.
Wow. That
That's,
is
we
really
used
good.
it, yeah, we just
Wow.
used that cashew base and then made like a vegan cheese with it.
Mmm.
Alright, let's get into some of this chicken.
Ah, let's get into that chicken. That's the dairy chicken, guys.
During best vegan chicken on the market.
Absolutely. Yeah, look at them girls. Look at them girls. They're clearing their plates. Look at them girls clearing them plates. Oh, we also got an upcoming series coming up for you guys where the kids will share what they eat in a day.
Each each of them. Yeah.
Each and every one of them.
What will you vote for?
Alright, there's no voting. What are you talking? There's no voting. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and try that mac and cheese now.
Oh, is this also with cashew cheese?
Mm-hmm. We added a little bit more nutritional yeast to this one to make it a little more cheesy.
It's kind of like the wraps from the kale wraps from that place. What was that place?
Cecili's?
Cecili's.
Yeah.
Yeah. Them girls, them girls.
Girls, what do you think of the mac and cheese?
Now y'all know that the boys are tough critics, but them girls, if they don't like it, you'll know. Cause there'll still be plates full of food. But they tearing it up. Look at the plate, man. Don't clear the plates. Look at that plate. They cleared that plate there. Okay, putting the plate down.
The sauce tastes like the sauce from Cecili's wraps.
Mhm.
Kale wraps.
Yeah.
It's really good.
All right.
That's cashew cheese.
That's a staple. That's something that we should be cooking more often.
Yeah.
Okay. Girls, what do y'all think? What did you think? Rocky? Michelin chef, Michelin reviewer?
Yeah, it's really good. I need that recipe.
All right. Cookbook. Oh guys, and I know we showed you guys some delicious recipes in this video, but on the website for JOI, they actually have some really awesome recipes as well. So make sure that you guys go ahead and check that out as well. Thank you guys for reviewing these meals.
Good job. Dad.
Good job. You guys did a great job eating food. You guys gonna do this again for us?
Yep.
All right. Awesome, awesome.
I say don't forget to check out the link in the description box.
Yes.
Don't forget
Forget
to
to check out the link.
Yikers. 1, 2, 3.
Don't forget to check the link in the description box for 10% off.
Alright guys, so that was it. We hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.
Oh my gosh, we hit 9,000 subscribers.
9,000 subscribers!
Thank you guys.
10,000.
Yes.
Tell your friends.
Tell a friend.
All of those people.
Tell every
Tell your
friend.
co-workers. I know some of y'all went back to work.
Co-workers.
Co-workers. But yeah, as always, don't forget to drink your almond milk and sip up your
9,000. 9,000. Oh, 9,000. 9,000. 9,000. Oh man, the rain is really coming down. Make it real.